Hello and welcome to Microsoft Teams. In this video, we're going to focus on the general setup of Teams, especially using chat and sharing file functionality. To begin with, we're going to focus on chats. These are quick one-to-one or group messages, and it works a lot like a group WhatsApp, but with that added extra security. To send a chat, you need to just come to the chat option in your toolbar on the left-hand side. You can then go to this little pen at the top, and you can either put in the name of an individual that you want to send a message to. If they're already within Teams within your force, their name should appear, and you can click to send a one-to-one message. We're next going to look at creating a group chat. So again, I'm just going to go to this pen on the top bar. Rather than just typing the name in here, I'm going to select this drop down on the far right hand corner, give my group a name, and now below here, add the names of the individuals I want to join this group. Then you just need to come to type message below, and you can have a back and forth conversation between that group. If I need to add an individual to this chat later on, all you need to do is come to the top of this chat, select on the participant icon. This will always summarize who's already in that chat, and you can add people. You do get some options. You can include whether you want them to see any previous chat history, any chat history from a certain number of days, or to give them all the chat history so they can catch up to speed. And if I click add, I can now see that we have Nesta in the chat. You can also start a quick audio call with a group or an individual just by coming to this telephone in the top right hand corner. When I click this will just start by calling everyone within this group. So it means you can have a quick meeting without necessarily putting a calendar action in the diary. Next, we're now going to look at an actual team within Microsoft Teams. So you just need to come to Teams in your toolbar on your left-hand side. So a team within Microsoft Teams is where you can invite people into a secure space to collaborate on files and share messages that can often end up in long conversations and emails. In order to get access to a team, you have to be invited to it. And here shows you the list of the teams that you're a member of. So in my team, you always have a team name at the top. And underneath that, you have something called channels. So these are to separate out different types of information, programs, subjects or work streams for your team. Within each channel, there's always two standard features. One area is posts. Posts is where you can post key messages, you can link to key articles from the internet, and also ask questions to your team in one central location. To create a post, you just need to come to the bottom here to where it says start conversation. And I always recommend click this A with the paintbrush on it. This allows you to format the message, which is really important as you can put a subject title in here, which means it's very easy to search via this search bar afterwards. Or if you go into a number of meetings and want to come back to that message, you can search for it up here. The next really important thing about post is when you're about to send a post, to notify people, you need to type @ like you would do in Twitter, and then either the name of the whole team. So if I type in Gold Meetings here, I know that the whole of my team is going to get a notification when I post this message. Or you can type @ and just the name of an individual if you want to specifically highlight an action or something to them. So now when I'm ready to post my message, all I need to do is come to the send button just at the bottom here, And because I have tagged these people in, they will all get an activity notification at the top of Teams to let them know that an action has happened and a post has happened within Teams. There is one other thing to point out when using posts. If you come to the bottom to the format button to A, you can really make your post stand out by dropping down here instead of where it says new conversation, selecting announcement, and this gives you a head link which you can change colors for. You can even add a specific picture in here to really make your post stand out. So if I show you one that has been posted previously on this page, just going to scroll up, we can see here how this this post has really standing out across the feed. Also, if you see a message, you can come to the top right hand corner. You'll notice there are a few emoji options, and you can give it a thumbs up just to show that you've read and seen that message.